Today we're going to walk through how to connect and program the MATelec TIMER-TS Wi-Fi time switch range. This includes both blind and non-blind models, with the same process set up across each range. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This video covers programming only. All wiring diagrams are included with the time switch, and installation must be completed by a licensed electrician. To get started, enable the time switch's built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Press and hold the network button until the indicator light begins flashing. This means the time switch is ready to connect to your network. On your phone, tablet or laptop, open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the time switch, network and connect. If the password hasn't been changed, use the system's default shown in the manual. Once connected, you're ready to access the interface. Open a web browser and enter the IP address listed in the manual. On first setup, the time switch will launch a guided setup wizard to walk you through the configuration. Start by selecting your language. From there, the setup wizard guides you through configuring the time switch. You'll choose how the time switch operates, set your time and location, and prepare it for programming. This process is quick and ensures everything is set up correctly from the start. This time switch offers several flexible operating modes. Time program, simple on and off scheduling. Holiday programs, overrides normal operation during set dates. Astro programs, automatically switches based on sunset and sunrise times at your location. Or you can have a combination of any of these. When combined, the holiday program takes priority, followed by the Astro, and then the standard time scheduling. If using Astro mode, set your location next by selecting your country and city. The time switch will automatically calculate sunrise and sunset times from your location. You can also apply offsets, for example, to turn lights on or off before and after sunset. To create a simple schedule, set your on time, set your off time, choose how often the cycle repeats, daily, weekly, or on specific days, and save your program. The time switch will run automatically. You can also customize how the relay operates. On-off is for standard switching. Pulse mode for timed activation. Cycle mode for repeating on and off intervals. This gives you flexibility for a wide range of applications. At any time, you can manually override the time switch. You can choose a temporary override where the time switch will return to its original schedule, or a permanent override which holds the relay in the position until changed back. You can save your configuration as a file and upload it to other time switches. This is ideal when you're setting up multiple units with the same schedule. That's how to connect and program the MATelec TIMER-TS Wi-Fi time switch range. Simple setup, flexible control, built for reliable performance on site. For more information, refer to the supplied documentation or contact the MATelec Australia team.